Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a background color changer using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here you can see in my web page, when I click on this aqua button, it will change the background color. When I click on violet color, it will change the background color to violet. When I click on green, it will change to green. So like that, to make this background color changer, we use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. Here I have taken the basic structure of the HTML file, and in this I have taken the title color changer. You can take any title you want. So now go for our body tag. So in body tag I have taken a div with ID color switcher. In this div I have taken a span tag, and in this span tag I have taken the class btn and ID white and an on click event. It is event. When a user click on this button, it will change the color of the background. So it is a event in a JavaScript. So then I have taken a function change bg. I can show you. Here is our change bg function in script tag. So here is our change bg function. In this I have taken the color code white. Like that, we have taken three more span tags. In this, in all span tags, I have taken the same class btn, and but I have taken the ID aqua in our second span tag with on click event, and function also same, and but here I have taken the color code aqua. Similarly, in violet, I have taken the ID violet and color violet. Similarly to black, taken the color ID black, and here I have taken the background color code black. After writing that much, I have taken the h1 tag. You can see here our h1 tag about us. So after that I have taken an image. You can take anything on your web page, and after that I have taken a paragraph. So here you can see a long paragraph, and after writing this much of HTML code, we go for our script tag. Here I have taken a script tag. In this I have taken a function change bg. Here you can see here a function change bg, and I have passed the parameter color. Then I have taken the document, whatever the document you have taken. In that I have taken the body, and in body style dot background color. In this document of this body, and in this body we are changing the style. Which style? Background color. So I have assigned to our parameter color. So after writing this much of script code, so now we go for styling. So we have taken body tag. In that I have taken margin 0, padding from top and bottom 20 pixel and 100 pixel from right and left. After that, I have target my h1 tag and I have taken the text align center and text decoration underline. After that, I have taken our img tag. In that, I have taken width 100% and height auto and margin 0 from top and bottom and from left auto. So after that I have taken the ID color switcher. You can see here we have taken the ID color switcher. In that I have taken text align right, and after that I have target my p tag. In this p tag I have taken font size 18 pixel and text align justify. After that I have taken the class btn. Here you can see here the class btn. So I have taken the width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, display inline block and border solid green and 2 pixel and border radius 50% and cursor pointer. Here you can see our buttons on our web page. After that I have target my class white. You can see down we have taken the id white. In this I have taken background color white and background color for aqua I have taken color code aqua, and for violet I have taken the color violet, and for here I have to write green, and here also I have to write the id green. So after that I have taken the our background color code green. So after writing this much of code we have done with our HTML, JS and CSS code. After writing this much of code, you will get a beautiful background color changer for your web page. So when I click on aqua, it will change our background color to aqua. When I click on violet, it will change our background color to violet. When I click on green, it will change our color to green. You can add many colors and with many styles. So like that, we can do many projects, like we can change the fonts by clicking, you can change the font color, font weight and many things. So by this we learn how to make a background color changer like this using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.